me. Yes, you can. I am here to share about four traits of a servant leadership. For that, let me share about what is a servant leadership. It means a leader that serves first and then lead second. Now, moving forward, servant leadership. The first trait is empathy means we are understanding the other person's situation and when we are trying to get in the person's perspective, to understand by the person's perspective. In a active context, I can share about as a territory manager how empathy will help me to solve the problem and help me to build a better connection with my teacher and with my team members. For example, as a parent, I am visiting to a branch and I found that one of my teacher is looking sad by their facial expression. I observed. So as a servant leader and as an empathetic person, the first thing that I need to do there, I need to ask my teacher that how are you concerned. That helps me to build a better connection with my teacher and it will also help me to build a now the second trait for example, if I ask my teacher, what is the problem and is there any challenges that you are struggling with, and the teacher is sharing their concern with me. So, as a territory manager, there I have to practice active listening. That I have to listen my teacher properly. I have to listen to understand. How it will help me that if I will be an active listener, the problem only solved when you listen the person. That you can do that if you just listen the person properly, the most of the problem of the person will automatically be solved. Then with the active listening, I will listen the person very carefully. I will understand the problem of the teacher, and then after that, I will provide a better guidance or better solution towards them. Now, the third trait of a servant leader is calmness and patience and calmness. Okay. Now, for example, as I shared that I visit to a branch and I ask for my teacher that how are you or what are the challenges are you facing, and the teacher is sharing with me their challenges and I am listening it actively. If the problem or the concern is for the branch management or for the student management or for any performance and the teacher is sharing with me certain data, if I am observing that my teacher's performance or review that's not very appropriate or that's not very expert and say so as patience and calmness. I have to guide my teacher there very patiently. If the teacher is making on the point or any of the we can't say any of the word. So as a servant leader with a patience and calmness I can manage my emotion. I can't be show that angerness and it patiently and calmly I will give a proper solution and guidance. It is empowerment means that as a territory manager, as a servant leader, my first aspire I will happy member to get more initiative and more organization. Because of it, I will empower them in their work, in their goals. What I will do to empower my teacher, the first thing that if is there any opportunities are coming there. So what is my priority is there that I take this opportunity or initiative towards my teacher. I tend to take more initiative. They also help others, their peers to solve the problem and help them to guide others. For example, we can simply take their SPTM is going on this. So in VTM, there should be a leader who controls the VTM every week, who can send an invitation and send the data, invitation and the topic for the VTM meeting. So every week or every month, I will appoint a new teacher as a leader. That the teacher get a chance to and it can also help them to practice in a leadership. And it will also help them in future to get more initiative and more opportunity. So that's all are the four traits of a servant leadership. Second is active listening. Third is patience and calmness. And the fourth one is empowerment. If as a territory manager or as a servant leader, I will follow all these four traits, it's